Hi, welcome back. So, students and professionals, my name is Jagdish Kumar Raidu. Let's try to understand why S4 HANA credit management differs or different from your ECC. Okay, both has the similar functionality, but it has its own reasons. Okay, so reason one, the classic credit management FIARCR. This is the functionality. Okay, finance, account receivable, and credit management, which is got replaced with SAP S4 HANA credit management, finance, FSCM credit management. You try to observe one thing. This AR, okay, FAR, that means financials and controlling actually. That was the module actually. Now it is got separated and completely placed in FSCM credit management. Okay. So let's try to observe the reason too. Okay. So that means you will get all finance related settings and SD related settings in FSCM, Financial Supply Chain Credit Management. Reason 2. What happens after S4 HANA 1610? Okay. So like 1511 also FSCM available and some parts of your ECC also FSCM available as a separate box and all those stuff. But over the period, once S4 started 1511, okay, it is activated, but in S4 1610 onwards, 1610, 1702, 1909, okay, so like till 2021 version is there. Okay, so activate deactivate by using this padding. That means if you want it, you can able to activate this functionality. So that means, for example, if you are working for certain industry where you don't need credit management at all, they are not working on credit basis, so the client is like that. You cannot say that bigger clients or smaller clients implement. It's all depends on whether you are giving on credit basis uh, business to get run actually with your distributors or dealers, so to whom so you are working. Okay, so such a cases. Okay, if you want it, you can able to activate it. If you don't want it, you can able to deactivate it. This is the baddie UKM_R3 active. Okay, this is available in settings. And next, so reason 3, credit master data using role. Okay, see, it is completely role based, whereas you are creating your customers in traditional ECC system XD01 and XD02, XD03 customer complete data, or else vendors XK01, XK02, XK02 central level. At the same time, sales area, sales and distribution level, VD01 and VD02, VD03, and your company code data level FD01, FD02, FD03. All these transactions got absolute. We'll have a one more discussion like what are all the transactions got removed when you compared with ECC to S4, what are all newly added. We'll try to maximize those sessions. So reason 3, credit master data. You are maintaining in this role only. Okay, this is basically, this is the role UKM 000. This is the transaction. So as for HANA, everything is on role based. Okay, that you have to remember this. Reason 4, communication between FICO and SD in S4 HANA. See, FICO and your FSCM is a financial supply chain management is the module related to FI, right? So if you have some settings, okay, like uh, what I would say, like dynamic credit check, static credit check, okay, maximum document value, critical fields, like that, different settings will be there. Everything got be moved here, but there should be some connection between these two. Otherwise, you cannot able to use those functionalities in your transaction level, as well as internal table communication will be there. For that, you have to activate this baddie_SD_CM means credit management. This is the SAP note. Okay, so these are the key difference. Now you can see these are the difference. Okay, so what actually you are going to learn? Functional value, how it works, credit management in ECC. If you are aware, then it is fine. If you don't aware, firstly you can able to work on your S4 HANA system. So you will do the credit limits. Previously you used to set the credit limits for your payer partner for customer, is central customer, central payer, or sales and distribution payer, or whatever you take. Okay, you are maintaining this one. So risky categories, that is also you are maintaining. And credit checks in sales documents, where you are going to check sales order level. Okay, credit check, or else delivery level, or else your post goods issue level. In the similar way, same thing, the functionality wise it is the same. Credit decision and block documents, what you are going to do, whether you are going to release, or else whether you are going to suspend that particular customer, that you are going to handle. Calculate payment behavior, that also you are going to do. These are the things you have functionally brief if I talk about theoretically. Okay, so this is very very important. So if someone asks you in an interview what is the basic difference between S4 HANA credit management or ECC, see, you can tell him like, I have an idea about it. I have done a practice. If you do or if you don't do, that is different. If you're honest enough, you can learn this. So like whoever working in a ECC, whoever trying for the jobs in ECC, now most of the times they're working in S4 HANA. That means ECC is not dead. They said in some 5 years ago, it is going to end 2020. After that, in Corona and all, they extended to 2025. Again, they're saying 2025 that will be extended to 2030, because it's all about investment, IT investment. No one is going to take a quick decisions. Like SAP has to support the clients. Clients listen to SAP, but final decision is in client's hand. ECC has its own market, and S4 has its own market. Okay, so this is the thing. Now see, remove transactions glimpse. That means what are all the transactions got removed. In traditional ECC, you are maintaining your credit master data in FD32. Let's see this. Uh, this is S4 HANA 2020. Okay, let's come. Let's go to the status. Okay, see, this is S4 HANA. Okay, so this is 2020 version. Okay, here somewhere it is not mentioned, but it is 2020 version. Okay, that's fine. So let's try to check the transaction FD32. Okay, for just checking whether it is available or not. See what it is saying, new function exists for the function. That means that FD32 master data, what you are changing and you are playing with the system testing, everything is gone. Whatever you are doing in ECC, the same thing you will be handled by your business partners and other configuration. Okay, let's go back, try to check this transaction. Okay, yes, ALR. Okay, let's try to check this one. So this transaction got a absolute. Okay, this is completely removed or got merged with another one. In the similar way, what you have f.32. Okay, so that is f.32. Let me put it. So this function also not available. Okay, so now another one is f.35. This is also completely removed actually. So this transaction you go back and try to check in your ECC level. This is a printing mistake f.35 actually. So all these are not available. Okay, so I have a view on this. If you would like to learn, okay, this is the course I have done, S4 HANA 1909 FSCM SD FICO credit management concepts. Okay, so below of this window I'm just giving the link actually. Okay, if you would like to learn further at FSCM SD integration, how it will works in FI settings, everything you will come to know. Okay, so in my video description I'm just placing this one. If someone want, they can able to find it as an opportunity, they can subscribe and they can learn this one. Okay, so This session I am helpful to you. I think, like, why S4 HANA credit management is different from ECC. You got some knowledge. So if you are a beginner, then if already you are working in some parts of the industry on S4, 100% you will be aware of this. Okay. So this is all about the session. If you would like to subscribe, you can able to subscribe here. That's it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.